with a snort and a giggle and a happy thud. Splish splash here and a squishy jump there. He's the jolliest pig without a care. Wiggle that belly, shake that tail. Mud on your nose and mud on the pail. Roll to the left, now roll to the right. Will the pig dances day and night. Oink oink fun with the muddy spin, with hooves that slide and a cheeky grin. He's a pink little friend with a muddy hug. Will the pig is snug as a bug. He flops in the puddle with a joyful whee, splashing his friends near the apple tree. The ducklings quack and flap away, but Will just giggles and wants to play. The farmer laughs, you silly pig, as Will does a muddy jig. He twirls and twists, then takes a bow, covered in dirt from tail to brow. Now the sun is setting low, the barnyard glows with a golden glow. Willie yawns and gives one last roll, then snuggles up near a grassy knoll. The stars come out, the breeze is light. Will the pig says goodnight. With mud on his ears and a sleepy smile, he dreams of puddles all the while.
Thanks for watching Whizzy Kids Fun Studio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun songs and bedtime stories. See you next time.